In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived an old man named Samuel. Samuel was known far and wide for his wisdom, and people often sought his advice. One sunny day, a young villager approached Samuel, holding a shiny new toolbox. "Samuel," the young man said, "I want to be a great carpenter like you. Please teach me your secret." Samuel smiled and nodded. He handed the young man a simple wooden hammer and said, "To become a skilled carpenter, you must first master the basics. Start by learning how to use this hammer well. Build your skills slowly and steadily." The young man was disappointed. He had expected a more profound secret, a shortcut to greatness. But he respected Samuel's wisdom and began his journey with that simple wooden hammer. Years passed, and the young carpenter became quite skilled. He could craft intricate furniture, sturdy homes, and beautiful carvings. One day, he returned to Samuel's home, this time with his own apprentice in tow. "Samuel," the carpenter said proudly, "I have become a master of my craft, just as you are. But now I want to know the true secret to your wisdom." Samuel smiled and gestured to a well-worn bookshelf filled with volumes of knowledge. "My young friend," he said, "the true secret to wisdom is never-ending learning. Just as you started with a simple hammer and built your skills, I began with a thirst for knowledge and kept learning every day. The more you learn, the more you realize how much there is to know. Embrace the journey of constant learning, and you will become wiser with each passing day." The young carpenter understood that wisdom was not a destination but a lifelong quest. He and his apprentice returned to their workshop, ready to continue their journey of learning, knowing that the true secret to greatness lay in the pursuit of knowledge and the mastery of the basics.